Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Roborock Q7 Max robot vacuum and mop cleaner. A powerhouse of cleaning technology with 4,200 pascals strong suction that effortlessly lifts debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. This smart device not only vacuums but also mops simultaneously, thanks to its electronic pump with 30 water flow levels, allowing you to customize cleaning to your floor types and preferences. Equipped with PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, the Q7 Max builds precise 3D maps of your home and efficiently monitors cleaning routes, even allowing you to add furnishings and flooring materials virtually. Its combined 470 ml dustbin and 350 ml water tank mean fewer interruptions for emptying or refilling, while the multi-directional floating all-rubber brush resists hair tangles, making it perfect for homes with pets. With a runtime of up to 180 minutes on a single charge, this robot can cover a maximum area of 3,229 square feet, ensuring long-lasting cleaning sessions. The Q7 Max also supports 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your cleaning sessions through an app, schedule tasks, and receive updates from anywhere in your home. So, if you're looking for a smart, efficient, and powerful cleaning companion, the Roborock Q7 Max is definitely worth considering.